Accidenti.
is one of the mildest interjections found in Italian. The plural of
Accidente.
mishap or sudden illness, it's used to express a variety of emotions including wonder, anger, and annoyance.
Accidenti.
When used in a positive sense, accidenti translates as wow, gosh, or my goodness.
Accidenti, che bella canzone.
Wow, what a beautiful song. When used to comment on something negative, it best translates as darn or drat.
Accidenti, mi sono scordato di avere un appuntamento oggi. Chissà se riesco ancora ad arrivare in tempo.
Darn, I forgot I have a meeting today. I wonder if I can still get there in time. Accidenti, followed by the preposition a, which means to, is used to curse people or situations in the mildest way possible. It can be used both seriously and jokingly.
Accidenti a lui e alla sua testardaggine.
Darn him and his stubbornness. Despite not being vulgar, accidenti is often toned down even further with euphemisms such as
Accipicchia. Accidempoli. Acciderba.
in its singular form, accidente, which is a masculine noun, becomes a synonym for
Niente. Nulla.
when describing negative situations. In English, the closest translation would be a darn damn thing. For example,
Con tutta questa nebbia non vedo un accidente.
with all this fog, I can't see a darn thing. The idiomatic expression
Mandare un accidente a qualcuno.
means to curse somebody, or literally to send an illness to someone, whereas
Prendersi un accidente.
means to catch a sickness or to get sick. It resembles the English expression to catch one's death.
Copriti bene quando esci, altrimenti ti prenderai un accidente.
Cover yourself well when you go out, otherwise you'll catch your death of cold.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.